Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is DTEK of Nothing Wire and I am at the big launch of Blackberry today, where Blackberry and Optiemus together have launched two handsets, Evolve and EvolveX. So both these handsets are above 20,000 category. Both the phones look really nice and premium, and the specs are really strong. So in this video we'll see the quick look of a Blackberry Evolve. So this phone is on the tougher side, and we've seen many beautiful looking phones these days, but toughness is always required when you think about your mobiles, and this looks quite promising. So as you can see, the back is a rubberized back, which actually needs no back cover at all. This touch, this feeling gives you so much of grip in your hand that it will never slip from your hand at all. Being a massive screen of 5.99 inches, full view, full HD plus screen, then to this phone being a wide display, it fits well in your hand because of the curves and the back. It gives you a lot of stability in your hand as well as durability. Talking about the other things of the phone, on the top we have the normal earpiece and the front camera with flash, and at the bottom we have this very stylish speaker grill and the C-type charging port. It supports fast charging as well. If you notice, on this side we have the power button and the volume rocker, but the volume rocker is plain, but the power button is textured. This is created intentionally to give you a different feel for both the buttons, so that if you're not looking towards your mobile also, then too you're easily able to operate and differentiate between both the buttons. Coming towards the left side, we have the SIM tray slot, and if you open the SIM tray slot, there is a hybrid SIM tray slot. Now going forward, the back we have the dual camera setup with a LED flash and noise cancellation mic, Blackberry logo. So this phone has both fingerprint sensor, which is around 0.3 seconds. It takes 0.3 seconds to open up, and it also has a face unlock, which takes 0.4 seconds to get unlocked. Talking about the vibrant colors in the display, so the brightness can be increased to that level that you are in the highest of sunlight, there will be no issue at all. The skin is very similar to stock Android, and it has just given a touch of a Blackberry, because you need a personalized touch when you are having some particular phone. So we talk about phone. This phone is based on Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset with a 1.8 GHz processor. Battery is one of the highlight of the phone, being a 4000 mAh. It has a 4000 mAh massive battery which will last for a very long time. At the same time, it has an app known as Power Charge, which will help you to customize your battery life, your battery usage according to your own usage pattern. It will help you a lot to save your battery, and also it has boost charge, that means fast charging, along with C-type charging port. It has a RAM of 4 GB and internal storage of 64 GB in this phone, Blackberry Evolve. So the back camera setup is a 13 plus 13 megapixel along with the LED flash. It's quite quick, the shutter speed is very nice. The necessary bokeh effect, so you can take very nice bokeh effects pictures. Also you have the studio mode, which I'm really liking, and slow-mo. Along with that, there is HDR, flash. Coming to the front camera, we have a 16 megapixel front camera, and you can see the colors which it is capturing is really nice. I'm really liking the skin tone which it's capturing. So on the front, you also have the bokeh mode, which you can create an amazing bokeh effects, selfies, flash, and the studio mode. So this was a quick look of the Blackberry Evolve in front of you guys. It is priced at a price range of $24,990 and is an Amazon exclusive phone. So as for the price is concerned, price is decent according to the specs, but at the same time there is a lot of competition in the market that we all know. So this is it for this video. I'll be back soon with another tech video. Till then, thank you and bye.